Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. A new Windows 10 build to look at. This is build 19577 for Windows Insiders on the Fast Ring. It's been a couple of weeks since we had a build, and this build has come down. Not a huge amount of changes in it, but I'm going to show you what's changed, the known issues and the fixes. One of the changes Microsoft mentioned is the diagnostic data state changes. So they're changing some of the diagnostic data that gets sent back to Microsoft. That's sort of the diagnostic data from the system, not something that you're really going to see, but it's some of the changes that are sent back. The other changes, well, I can show you those. You see, these are the new icons that we've got, which I showed you in the last build video, and the security icon has changed. There you go. You can see that. That's the new look security icon again. So all these icons are starting to change now. You can see the new style ones, and there's an example of an old style one. I think they look pretty good. These icons are now rolling out to all Windows devices, so you're going to see those come down over onto even to the non-insider machines over time. These are the new ones. They continue the experiment with optional drivers. I'm going to see if I've got any on there. I did see one of these show up on one of my other devices, so I haven't got any to show, but if you had an optional driver like a graphics driver or something, it would show as optional drivers there. They're continuing extending this experiment to the end of March. The rest of the changes are all fairly minor. They highlight in the blog post the new Cortana, which really doesn't do very much unless you're on US English. And they did a separate blog post about that, and in fact we discussed that on the Digital Lifestyle show last week. So that's the new Cortana experience. They're really taking out all the consumer stuff and put in there the productivity suite type things. So that's what they highlight as one of the main changes. The other things they've done, they've updated the behavior in Advanced Startup to make sure that some of the ease of access features work correctly. So if you're using Narrator and you do the Advanced Startup under recovery, you can use those Narrator features. And they've had some language changes as well. Right, the rest of the fixes, they've fixed some clipboard issues, they fixed some File Explorer character issues, fixed the Windows Hello in certain languages, they fixed some microphone not working sometimes on previous builds. I didn't find that myself. They fixed some issues with File Explorer and the reliability of it sort of basically crashing, and they fixed some old issues with Windows.old storage not being cleaned up correctly. They fixed some issues with the account pages, and they fixed an issue with local accounts where until rebugging the nightlight might not work, and they fixed some issues with Windows Update failing. The known issues are fairly familiar if you've listened to any build videos or watched these build videos before. Microsoft Battle.eye anti-cheat software is still not working. Cloud recovery still isn't working, so you have to do manual. So I like the cloud recovery. That's where it's sort of after you can reset the machine and it'll bring down the image from the cloud, but that isn't working. Hasn't been working for a while actually. They fixed some print. There's still some issues with print screen. If you use the Windows print screen, Windows key and print screen to capture the screen, it doesn't always save it. So you'll have to use something else like Windows Shift and S or Snip tool. And they fixed some issues where the DSM, the servicing tool, fails at 84%. And those are all the changes. So not a huge amount of visible changes apart from the new icon. But they continue with these builds, and 20H1 is done, so this is the next thing that we're looking at here, and we're not sure what that's going to be called or what these features are, because they're now not tying those specifically to a new release of Windows. But anyway, that's all the changes on this build. You can find out more on thedigital-lifestyle.com. I'm at iSticks on Twitter if you want to get in touch, or Ian at thedigital-lifestyle.com. Thanks for watching.